Panel will hear discussions on Donald Trump's claim that he was immune to prosecution in election destruction case includes 2 new Democratic appointments are not alien to cases containing former President Judge Karen L. Henderson, a graduate North Carolina University, faculty law, joined court adjacent to the Columbia Region Circuit in 1990. President George H.W.Bush is one. Appointed a few Republican. In other cases containing Trump, he was usually more willing to manage most of his colleagues for himself. In November 2019, Judge Henderson was in opposition a 83 decision that financial records Mr. Trump should turn financial records accounting company to Congress by entire Court Appeal.F. McGahn II was part of a panel that decided to be in court to testify before the House. Few months later, the court reversed this decision, and in June 2020, Judge Henderson was part of panel that ordered regional court judge immediately reject case against Mr. Trump's former national security advisor Michael Flynn. He would prevent plan to examine the conditions he wanted dismiss case. In August 2022, Judge Henderson participated in a decision that provides a mishap to Mr. Trump. He allowed Assembly to access tax records of Mr. Trump. The declaration demanded request for to influence President while he was in office. The remaining judges on the panel, J. Michelle Childs and Florence Y. Pan, were too new to play an important role in previous cases of Trump. Although they both had comprehensive judicial experience in the lower courts, they were appointed to the appeal court by President Biden in 2022. Judge Childs served as a judge of a federal court judge in Southern Carolina. He drew national attention in 2022 because Mr. Biden ultimately selected Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, although he chose the potential candidates to fill Supreme Court.Took. Judge Childs' supporters have heralded the experiences that would add more diversity to the court. A blue-collar past and a degree from South Carolina University Faculty of Law. Some progressive groups criticized a law firm that once defending employers in labor discrimination and sexual harassment cases. Between 20,092,021, Judge Pan served as a judicial judge on equivalent of the Columbia Region State Court system. In 2016, President Barack Obama tried to raise him to Federal Regional Court of Columbia. Judge Pan was promoted twice after Justice Jackson, when he was upgraded to circuit. The judge filled next gap. In 2022, when Justice Jackson confirmed to Supreme Court, the Judge Pan this time D.C.He came into play again to fill circuit seat. Judge Pan, child of migrants of Taiwan, D.C.He graduated from first Asian American woman to work in period. He graduated from the federal judge who was appointed by 2 Republican in New York. He worked in various government positions before he became a judge, including 10 years